Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It is the 20th of December today, which means there's only 5 days until Christmas, which means we are 5 days away from opening the big golden box in my Lookfantastic beauty advent calendar for 2019. I am going to get right into this and open up door number 20. It is an Ico London Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go Black with caffeine for wide awake eyes. Give your lashes a lift for instant volume, curl and definition that lasts all day. Wake up your eyes with our energizing fiber enhanced formula infused with caffeine. I wasn't expecting it to be in a tube. Oh, I don't like that brush at all. Oh, I don't like that brush at all. If you have followed me for long enough, you will know that I hate like fuzzy, cheap looking brushes, but I hate those brushes and they feel awful when I start to put them on my... Let's have a little look at what the Lookfantastic leaflet says. Discover a lash transformation with this nourishing and volumizing formula, housed in a zero waste tube. Ah, okay, that explains the tube. Promising no smudging, crumbling or flaking, this mascara ensures lashes are volumized and healthy. Okay, now I understand the tube idea a little bit better because you can squeeze to get extra product, so you don't have to worry so much about having to dig that wand in to a round tube. Huh. That's clever. In a world today where we are very wasteful, particularly with luxury items, I guess that is pretty brand forward. Again, I really can't complain too much about this. I think I've got enough items for almost a full luxury look of eyeshadow palettes, a lipstick. Now I've got a mascara, so I can just crack on with a whole face look, which I can't really complain about from an advent calendar that cost me £79 that has basically given me a full look for an evening. So props to Lookfantastic, because 20 days into this advent calendar, I have to say I am pretty impressed so far. As always, thank you guys for watching. Tune in again tomorrow because it is the 21st of December and I will be opening box number 21, which means we are even closer to the golden draw in here, which, as we know by now, I am very excited to open and see what is inside. So thank you guys for tuning in and I will see you tomorrow.